In this video, I'm going to introduce a new topic called binary digits, logic levels, and digital waveforms. So let's start with binary digits. So under binary digits, you need to understand that electronics uses binary, okay, for processing information, which is made up of two digits, 0 and 1. So 0 is called as a bit, and 1 is also called as what? It's called a bit. The second thing you need to understand is that bits, okay, bits represent signals, represent some type of information, some type of signals. So by signals, I mean bits are always used to represent some type of information. In an image, the 1 might be standing for the color. In an image, the 0 might be standing for the eye. I mean, in a document, 1 might be standing for some letters or for some color as well. But in this case, we're not binary digits. I want you to understand that bits represent signals or some type of information. Particularly, they represent what? They represent voltage. Okay? So, under bits, they also want to understand something called what? Positive logic. Okay? So, under positive logic, they want you to understand that under positive logic, 1 represents what? High voltage. 1 represents high voltage, which can be represented as what? As high. And then 0 represents low voltage, which can be represented as what? Low in capital letters. So if a system might be using positive logic, if a system is using in binary systems, if a system is using positive logic, it means that 1 represents high voltage and 0 represents what? Low voltage. However, if a system is using something called negative logic, so under negative logic, it means that 1 is now going to represent what? Low voltage. It can be represented by low. And then 0 is representing high voltage, okay, which can be represented by high. So electronic components might be using positive logic or negative logic. Never assume, always check the manual and the documentation for the components that you're using to see whether they're using positive logic or negative logic. So under binary digits, logic levels, and digital waveforms, we've talked about binary digits, and under binary digits, this is all that you need to know.